I am Dr. Subramanyam KAV, endocrinologist. I treat patients with diabetes and their complications.
This is Dr. Dilip Kumar, Professor of Endocrinology. I am practicing endocrinology apart from management of diabetic neuropathy.
G.R. Sridhar. We endocrinologists treat hormone diseases.
I'm Dr. Jayanti Ramesh. I'm a senior professor endocrinology. I treat gestational diabetes, that is, diabetes among pregnant women.
I'm Dr. V. Suresh, Professor of Endocrinology at the Sri Venkateswara Institute of Medical Sciences, Tirupati. As an endocrinologist, I deal with patients of resistant hypertension, which could be hormonal in nature.
This is Dr. Satish, endocrinologist from Vijayawada. I treat sexual and reproductive disorders, which in common man's language called hormonal disorders, like poor penis size, undescended testis, ambiguity of genitalia at birth, or penis-like structure in a female child at birth.
I'm Dr. Maithili. I'm an endocrinologist and I treat diabetes and its related disorders in children.
నేను డాక్టర్ శ్రీకాంత్ కొంగర, consultant endocrinologist at Endolife Hospital, Guntur. Apart from all endocrine diseases, I am an expert of type 2 diabetes mellitus and its complications like nephropathy, retinopathy and neuropathy.
This is Dr. Srinivasulu, Professor of Endocrinology, Kurnool Medical College, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. I treat metabolic bone diseases.
Dr. Sunita, endocrinologist from Visakhapatnam. We treat breast enlargement in males and gynecologist.
I am Dr. Padmalata, endocrinologist. I deal with steroid-related diseases and steroid abuse.
I am Dr. Mavoro, endocrinologist from Great Hospital, Kakinada. We treat all pediatric endocrine problems and congenital syndromic disorders.
I'm Dr. Jaydev, endocrinologist. I treat patients with hirsutism, unwanted facial and body hair, and hormone problems.
I am Dr. Vijay Girdhar, endocrinologist at Hormones Hospital, Rajahmundry. I will treat both hormonal disorders and problems.
I am Dr. Vivekananda, working as assistant professor in the Department of Endocrinology, Visakhapatnam. I deal diabetic patients with foot infection.
I am Dr. Rajgopal, endocrinologist from Kurnool. I am a specialist for diabetes, thyroid and other hormone problems like infertility and sexual dysfunction.
I am Dr. Gautam Nahar, consultant endocrinologist from Vijayawada. We treat resistant hypertension and other hormonal causes of hypertension.
Myself, Dr. M.V. Ramamohan, consultant endocrinologist at Pokotota, Nellore and Apollo Specialty Hospitals. We treat thyroid disorders.
I am Dr. L. Brahmanandam, working as Assistant Professor of Endocrinology, Andhra Medical College, King George Hospital, Visakhapatnam. I am more interested in seeing cases of juvenile hypothyroidism and related hormonal disorders.
I am Dr. Kiranmay. I am from Vijayawada. I am an endocrinologist, and as endocrinologist, we do treat renal disorders like Addison's disease.
I am Dr. Vamsi Krishna, consultant endocrinologist, Seven Hills Hospital, Visakhapatnam. We endocrinologists deal with evaluation and treatment of hypothyroidism.
I am Dr. G. Murali Krishna, endocrinologist in Vijayawada. I treat galactoria.
I am Dr. J. Venkateswarlu, endocrinologist from Ongole, Andhra Pradesh. I treat endocrine disorders like acromegaly.
I am Dr. T. Sunanda, Associate Professor of Endocrinology in Narayana Medical College, Nellore. I treat childhood obesity.
I am Dr. Radharani, endocrinologist, working as Assistant Professor in Government General Hospital, Kurnool. We treat male hypogonadism and erectile dysfunction.
I am Dr. Shailaja, DM endocrinologist, working at Tirumala Hospitals, Tirupati. I treat PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome.
I am Dr. Harikishore Reddy, consultant endocrinologist in Karma. I deal with reproductive endocrinology and disorders.
I am Dr. Pottam Satish Kumar, practicing endocrinologist at Endocure Clinic, Anantapur. I treat neonatal hyperglycemia and related hormone disorders.
I am Dr. Mithun Chakravarti, MD PM Endocrinology from Rajahmundry. We treat all hormonal disorders. Menopause is a natural phenomenon where ovaries stop functioning. It
it occurs around the age of 50 years. It is our endocrinologist's job to treat menopausal symptoms and all hormonal disorders related to menopause.
This is Dr. Durga Prasad Vimala, consultant endocrinologist, Diet Hormone Hospital, Kakinada. We treat thyroid cancer and related disorders.
Dr. Kora Chandra Reddy, consultant endocrinologist at Bhatia Diabetes and Endocare Hospital, Kadapa. I will be dealing with the parathyroid and bone-related disorders.
I am Dr. Geeta, worked as consultant endocrinologist at Ramesh Hospitals, Vijayawada, and I am off work now. And you know what? We endocrinologists treat adrenal gland disorders.
This is Dr. Harsha Verma, consultant endocrinologist at Harsha Diabetes and Endocrine Clinic, Bhimavaram. We treat rickets and vitamin D related disorders.
This is Dr. Bharani, endocrinologist, Ramesh Hospitals, Guntur. I treat thyroid problems and thyroid swelling.
I am Dr. Bharat, endocrinologist from Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. We treat diabetes insipidus.
I am Dr. Ramya, consultant endocrinologist, Apollo Hospitals, Visakhapatnam. We endocrinologists treat ambiguous genitalia with hormonal therapy.
My name is Dr. Sai Krishna Chaitanya, consultant endocrinologist, KIMS Hospital, Mumbai, and I treat growth disorders.
I am Dr. Suita, an endocrinologist in Kakinada. We treat parathyroid disorders.
I am Dr. Karthik, endocrinologist from Bhimavaram. As an endocrinologist, I treat vitamin D insufficiency.
I am Dr. Maunika, consultant endocrinologist, Gajwaka, Visakhapatnam. We treat type 2 diabetes in men.
This is Dr. Ashok Chakravarti, Makneni. I evaluate and manage all types of hypoglycemic conditions.
I am Dr. Srinivas, consultant endocrinologist practicing in Vijayanagaram. We treat calcium and bone disorders in endocrinology.
I am Dr. Namburi Rajendra Prasad, endocrinologist working in Sunrise Hospital, Nellore. We treat Addison's disease related to adrenal gland.
I am Dr. Lavanya, practicing endocrinologist at Aswini Endocrine Center, Kottapeta, Guntur. As endocrinologists, we are trained to treat individuals with secondary diabetes mellitus caused by pancreatic disorders, excess steroid usage, and excess growth hormone state.
I am Dr. Aishwarya, consultant endocrinologist at Elementary Hospitals, Vijayawada. I treat hyperthyroidism.
I am Dr. Venumadhivi, endocrinologist from Vijayashri Clinics, Madhurwada, Visakhapatnam. We treat neuroendocrine disorders.
I am Dr. K. Subbarao. I am an endocrinologist. I am working in KSR Super Specialty Endocrine Center, Guntur. I will evaluate and manage cases of Turner syndrome.
I am an endocrinologist. I deal with evaluation and treatment of short stature.
This is Dr. Nishita Reddy, working as consultant endocrinologist at Apollo Specialty Hospitals, Nellore. We treat osteoporosis and bone-related metabolic disorders.
I am Dr. Kalyani, DM endocrinologist working in NRI General Hospital, Chinakakani. We are adequately trained in pediatric endocrinology.
I am Dr. Harita, consultant endocrinologist at Harita Clinic, Anantapur. We treat hypophosphatemia and other phosphate metabolism related disorders, including hypophosphatemic rickets and osteomalacia.
I am Dr. Kavya J, consultant endocrinologist, Sri Charit Hospitals, Tirupati. I see congenital hypothyroidism.
I am Dr. Shamini, an endocrinologist. I deal with pubertal disorders like delayed puberty.
Consultant endocrinologist at Ongole. We as an endocrinologist also deal with endocrine disorders in pediatric population as well as rare metabolic disorders.
I am Dr. Deepthi Florence, endocrinologist. As an endocrinologist, I deal with evaluation and treatment of neonatal hypoglycemia.